Assalamu alaikum. How is everyone? So this time are we ready for another fun-filled activity? Last time we had a water activity. This time we will have some fun in the kitchen with our mother. Or you can also ask your sister or any of your siblings who can help you. There are like very few things again. All of these are easily available at home. You will need one egg. You need one egg, vanilla essence, baking powder, measuring scoops. If you don't have these, you can use ordinary cups. This is a normal whole purpose flour, मैदा कहते हैं इसको. This is sugar, oil, and anything to mix. We need a brush, spatula, and whisk. So, and last but not least, the most important ingredient, the toaster, the sandwich maker. Now, why do we need a sandwich maker? Well, that's a surprise. We are going to make a cake in 5 minutes with the help of a sandwich maker, and we are not going to use any oven or anything, and you will really enjoy because it will be very, very tasty. We all enjoy eating cakes, but because of this pandemic, it's not safe and healthy to eat outside. So we'll make something at home which is very simple, easy, and quickly made, and you can offer this in the tea today to your parents, to your grandparents, or anyone who's at home, and you can enjoy and have a small party. Now we are ready with our things. We have taken a big bowl in which we are going to mix things. First of all, we've taken one egg. We'll use a whisk, half cup of sugar, and we are going to beat it till it changes color. Now we will have to whisk it for a couple of 4-5 minutes. You can see the color has changed. Now there are one thing that I missed out in the ingredients is we need 2 tablespoons of milk and 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence and 1/4 cup of oil. We'll keep, we have to whisk it hard, so all of these ingredients they get mixed. We will add half cup of flour, मैदा जो मैंने आपको बताया था. We'll add half cup of it, and now you'll have to be very careful that you don't make any lumps, and you have to whisk it very, very smoothly and nicely and mix everything very nice. We don't need these lumps, so we have to whisk it for a few minutes till we get a smooth batter. So we don't have any more lumps. The last ingredient that we have to add is the baking powder. It's half teaspoon of baking powder. In case you find that your batter is it's not as smooth as it looks, you can add a little bit of flour more in case, just to but normally the quantity is okay. Once we have made the batter smooth, we are going to keep this on one side, and we are going to use a spatula to smooth out the batter. You have to make sure that there are no lumps in it, and it is all smooth and ready to be put in the sandwich maker. Our batter is ready. It's smooth now. We'll switch on our toaster. You have to be very careful because it is hot, so you need someone elder to help you with this. So it's on. Now we will do some brushing. We will brush oil. Now we are ready. We will pour our batter. You have to make sure that you have done the greasing well. It should be inside the boxes. You have to be very careful. The batter that we have made, it's roughly around for 8 to 10 of these cakes, these slices of these cake slices, 8 to 10 of these. Once this is filled, we just have to clean and smooth the edges so our cake is very nice and smooth with no rough edges. Once you have poured the batter in the sandwich maker, just close the lid for 4 to 5 minutes roughly, but in the meantime you can check it after 3 minutes to be on the safe side. After 3 to 4 minutes you need to check. Wow, the aroma is, just look at these spongy cakes already. If you wish to add more color, you can leave it for another minute, or you can flip it for color on both sides. Believe me, the aroma is very, very tempting, very tempting. But you have to be very careful. Switch off the toaster first, and you need some elder to help you with this. Don't do this yourself. You have to make sure that some elder is with you. Just a few seconds to give color to the other side. Okay. Alhamdulillah, our sandwich cake is ready. The slices are ready to be served. You can serve it with tea, and make sure that you try these today and you make the videos and send them in the school group. And again, I'm repeating myself, be very careful with the help of some elder. So make sure you don't get yourself hurt. And see, it's very, very soft, spongy, and believe me, it's very tasty. So I'll be waiting for your videos. Jazakallah. Allah Hafiz.